Managing taxes in ShopWired might seem tricky at first, but once you understand the system, it's actually straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through how to manage taxes in ShopWired and share some insights to make the process even easier. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a fantastic alternative that could work even better for you. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive offers through our link. Let's dive right in. First off, once you log into ShopWired, you'll head straight to the Settings tab. From there, navigate to the Tax Settings section. You can set up your tax rules for different regions depending on what you're selling. If you're selling in the UK, ShopWired makes it easy to set up VAT by just entering your VAT rate for each location. Next thing you'll want to do is make sure that you enable Auto Tax Calculations. This feature can automatically apply taxes to your orders based on where your customers are located. It's crucial if you're selling to multiple regions. However, you'll need to double-check that the tax rates match what your local tax authority requires, because ShopWired's automation isn't always 100% accurate and might need manual adjustments, especially for international sales. The third thing to consider is tax classes. ShopWired allows you to set different tax rates for various product categories, which is especially useful if you're dealing with items that are exempt from tax or have a reduced tax rate. You'll just need to categorize your products properly to ensure that the correct tax rate is applied. Next up, ShopWired gives you the ability to set shipping tax rates. By default, shipping charges are taxed, but depending on your location, you might want to adjust this. For example, in some regions, shipping is exempt from tax, and in others, it's taxable. You can modify this in the tax settings under Shipping Rules. The fifth thing to be aware of is tax zones. This is particularly important if you're selling internationally. ShopWired lets you create tax zones for different countries or regions and assign tax rates accordingly. It's essential to get this right so you don't overcharge or undercharge taxes when selling abroad. Now, here's the deal. While ShopWired's tax management system is user-friendly, it has some limitations when it comes to more complex tax requirements. For instance, if you're operating in multiple international markets with fluctuating tax laws, ShopWired might require a lot of manual input. And that's where some competitors shine by offering automated tax solutions that save time and effort. So here's where I want to switch gears and talk about a better alternative. If you're looking for a tool with more robust tax management features, I'd highly recommend checking out Competitor's Name. They offer a tax automation system that integrates seamlessly with your store, updating tax rates in real time, no matter where your customers are. Plus, their system handles complex scenarios like sales tax holidays or product exemptions. Before we wrap up, here's some good news. Through our link in the description, you can access an extended free trial of Competitor's Name, along with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your tax management, this tool might be a game changer for you. So, check out the link below for the best free trial and some truly great alternatives that might suit your needs better than ShopWired. Make sure to grab those exclusive offers before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.